AGC Construct 2022. I'm super confident you're going to see some mind-blowing things that are going to totally transform for the rest of your life. Some ideas from this book, Construction Scrum, international best-selling book. Y'all can get it for free on Kindle Unlimited. We're going to cover 3 simple steps. This is the whole Scrum framework. Any questions on this? Yes?
What's the learning curve like?
One of the first things I try to understand, like within a 10-minute conversation, is what are they already doing? So you start with some capacity building with teams, and then you iterate over time. The longest it could take to implement the full framework is less than 8 weeks. They had a lunch and learn on a Friday. On Monday, they started. So the 3 steps for you to implement this is, number 1, you got to have a goal. And anybody in the audience, what's something you want to get done by next Friday?
Get caught up on all the late assignments I missed.
Get caught up on late assignments. You got 3 days to make up, right? The second step is you got to make your work visible. Just get a piece of paper, a whiteboard, a window, back of a door. It doesn't matter. And just get 4 columns going. A backlog, these are things to do in the future. To do, put in the assignments you're going to do by next Friday, and then do one thing at a time. Okay, backlogs. This line here represents the difference between long-term planning and short-term planning. In his example, he's got stuff to get done by Friday, so his entire flow from to do to done is a 5-day flow. By next Thursday, he's done with everything before Friday. If you just make it visible, you know in 3 seconds. Do we have it or not? Is it separated or do we have a gap? So that's step 2. Step 3 is start super small. I would do with a week or less and check in daily. The other thing is have patience with yourselves. Like, be super patient. You're learning something brand new. Like she asked about the learning curve. It takes time. All right, so this is the guide for free. Hit that QR code. On the book site, there's a link called Book Links. All the book examples are for free, and they're all sitting on this one website. There's videos, there's case studies. Check that out. To get started, you got to understand what the basic framework is. So read the guide at least one time or listen to me narrate it. You need courage to try something different. Anybody else have any other questions? All right, thank you.